Hello, everybody. I have some random goodies that two of my friends sent, and I just was in the mood to film a random unboxing video with all these goodies. So first up, we have some goodies that my friend Laura, I think it's Laura Loves Toys now. It was Laura Danielle 1209. But I think she changed her name, and of course I'm blanking, but she sent me these, and this is a Kid Robot Yummy World keychain blind box. So these are all the possibilities we can get, and I actually have a big version of this one, the milkshake that I got from Scott, Blind Bag Toy Addict. That's pretty cute. Oh, a little taco. Oh, there's more possibilities. Okay. So let's open and see who we get. Yummy World. Okay. Ooh, it's the cherries. And it hangs sideways. And I don't think these have names, but these are the little cherries. Super cute. And the little eyeballs. It's adorable. And then we have a amazing squishy Pooh Collection squishy blind bag. And these are all the possibilities. Little shark's cute. Let's see who we get. Oh, it's a little fox. It's a little fox Pooh. I like that it comes with a little checklist. So these are, again, all the names. And it looks like we got Sly. Pretty cute. Ooh, it smells good. It reminds me of like a vanilla wafer, how these smell. Super cute. And then we have a Barbie Pets Series 9, which is crazy that they're on the 9th series. I don't think I've seen these. At least this series. Oh, the little hippo. And there's a little sloth. Okay, so I think these are coded, so this is the code for this particular one. And let me see if I can find the tear strip. Is there not a tear strip? Maybe here? Good. Nope. Okay, let me use scissors. Scissor time. Okay. Oop, checklist. A bag within a bag. Oh. Oh, he's cute. It's like a little border collie. And this one's name is Border Collie. Super cute. I love these flocked little pets. They're so adorable. Thank you so much, Laura, for the goodies that you sent. Really, really cute. I appreciate it. I like the cherries. Cherries are cool. And then my other friend, Maggie, aka Tuki's Toys, sent some goodies too. So she sent this Unicorno plush bag. And these are the possibilities. Let's see who it is. Oh, it's the little ice cream sundae one. What's her name? Her name is Sunday. She's cute. Oh, her little floppy ears. Aw. So cute. We'll put her right there to watch. And then she sent a mashems. What is this? A Barbie Dreamtopia Series 2 mashems. I don't have any Barbie mashems. I have a few like Care Bears. I think Nightmare Before Christmas. A few others. Of course, I can't remember. Oh, this one has blue hair. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, she's a mermaid. So there's her tail. Oh, she looks sassy. She's pretty cute. I love the blue hair. I always wish I had blue hair. Like, would dye my hair blue. That would be pretty cool. Super cute. And here we have a Care Bears surprise collectible figure. And these come with a little coin, which is pretty cool. The coins are really cool. And let me see if I can find a tear strip. Oh, the struggle is real. Oh no, now I'm struggling. Okay, wait. Hold on, let me use my X-Acto knife, see if I can open this a bit easier. Still struggling. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh, is this Bedtime Bear? He's cute. I don't think I have him. And it comes with a little coin. I Care Bears. Tell someone they inspire you. That's cute. Here's the checklist. I think it might be Bedtime Bear. Maybe not. Wish Bear? It's Wish Bear. So these are all the ones in the series. So we got Wish Bear. That's Bedtime Bear with the moon. And then those are all the coins they come with. And it looks like there's different colors. So we got, what is this, like a gold color, maybe? Super cute. Adorable. He'll go on my little Care Bear shelf. And let's see, we have a Barbie Kinder Joy egg. And some friends say they don't like the chocolate. I actually like the chocolate. I think this side is the chocolate. I'll keep that wrapped. And this side should be the toy item. I don't know what the... Oh, this is to, like, scoop out the chocolate? I did not know that. Let's see if I can open this. Ooh. And we got a little ring set. Ooh. Might have to do this off camera. But it comes with a little ring set with, like, a little heart. And then you snap the picture on with this. I'll have to do that off camera. And there's instructions. Super cute, and I will eat this chocolate later for sure. And next we have a Elf on the Shelf Minis Series 2 blind bag. And I had no idea that these were so hard to find, and I was lucky and picked up a few from Target. And Maggie was kind enough to send me another one. Ooh, and it's an elf. I don't have an elf. I have the reindeer and the dog. And I'm going to have the cat that I did in a trade with Misha and Marissa from iHeart Reviewing Stuff. So this one's name is Juniper Jollykins. That's a pretty Christmassy name. Super cute. And she's my first little elf. Let's see. We'll set her there. And this I'm super excited about. I don't know how many times I like had this in my cart. I had this in my hand at Barnes & Noble and I just like kept putting it back, but it's a pusheen, like plant themed botanical surprise plush blind bag thing. So these are all the different ones we can get. So adorable. I love plants. Let's see who's inside. Ooh, it's a blind bag in a box. Oop. Okay. And where is, can I just tear it? I'm so bad at opening things. There we go. Aww. Aww, so cute. This is, I don't know her name. There's no names on here, but isn't this Pusheen's sister, maybe? I don't know. Aw, little clip. It looks like she's holding a clover. Is this a cat? This is a cat, right? I don't know if I'm familiar with this character, but it's freaking adorable. Super fuzzy. There's its little eyes and its little tail. Super cute. Adorable. Thank you both, Laura and Maggie, for all the cuteness. I really appreciate it. And I don't know if I can get her to stand. We'll put her right there. Thank you all for watching, and let me know which one is your favorite. Like, which one is your favorite? I really like them all. They're all very different, but they're all like very me. So cute. Thank you both, Laura and Maggie. I really appreciate it. And thank you all for watching.